How to open a crypto.com account. Hi everyone! Crypto.com is a comprehensive cryptocurrency platform highly regarded for its products, security, and global scale. In this video, I'll guide you on how to open a Crypto.com account. To open an account and receive offers from Crypto.com, visit coinaz.net/crypto.com. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a Crypto.com account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing Crypto.com. Please enter your email here. Click here to receive exclusive offers and updates from Crypto.com. Then, click Create New Account. Crypto.com has sent you a verification email. Please check your email. This is the email Crypto.com sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the Crypto.com email. Click here. The next step is phone number verification. Enter your mobile number here. Click Receive Verification SMS. This is the verification code Crypto.com sent me. Next, create passcode for your account. Confirm password. Click Continue to start the identity verification process. Click Start. Please choose issuing country, region, and select ID type. For ID type, you can choose identity card, driver's license, or passport. I'll choose identity card. Click Allow to use the camera. Place your document within the frame for verification. Next, you need to face verification. Click Continue. Please place your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions from Crypto.com. The identity verification process is now complete. You'll receive the result via email once it has been reviewed. Once your identity verification is successful, you can deposit and withdraw funds. So, I have finished guiding you on how to open a Crypto.com account. Goodbye and see you all in the next videos.